Hey Stampers, it's Gaynor again, and I finally finished my album, the one I wanted to make with the ingredients papers. So I thought I'd come and do a walkthrough so you can see what I've done with it. So it's a massive 8x10 and I can just about get it all in shot. I've added these gorgeous strawberries and this lovely little cupcake down here. These were gifted to me off Karen Resenbrink, all the way from Holland. So this is the front cover. This was one of the sheets in the packs of the authentique papers, and I just loved it. And it just said to me, put it on the front, it shows cases all the different cards, the pieces of cardstock that was inside the collection. Plus this was one of the strips that says recipes. And to me, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fill it with recipes. I love watching cooking programs. And I also love to eat. Who doesn't? This is one of the authentique stickers down at the bottom. Oh my gosh, this is just humongous, this album is. So that's the spine. And this is the back. I've just added loads of stickers. I just thought it was really cute and quirky. Mom's diner, sit down, be quiet and eat. I love it. Shake it up, simmer down, love, traditions. You know, just these quirky little arrows and stuff. But yeah, I loved making this. It's absolutely fabulous. So I put one of these metal closures on, and this beautiful ribbon, and you just untie it. One of the loops goes through there, just so you can keep your pages closed. So this is the first page. This actually, it's not even a page, it's the inside cover. Again, I added some more of those beautiful cupcakes and the strawberries, and I had all the recipe cards, and I just didn't add them for some reason. I don't know why, but I've put them in this little pocket that I made for the front, and you can add recipes and directions on both sides, and there's 6 of them. So there's a place for 6 recipes. Plus you could put a big card in there with more white card on top, black card with white. I'll show you now because you've got lots going on in this. And I just love it. I think it's beautiful. So now we come to the first page. Absolutely gorgeous. They're all on a waterfall system. So the book lies like a waterfall when you open it up. And I'll have to pull this down because I don't have much space. You open up the top flap and you've got space here. You could write, I got my white pen, so you can just add quirky little love hearts and stuff, or you can draw pictures of food. You can even write short recipes on there if you want to. I just love it. So that's the top flap. Then you come down into these sections, and this is the top area, because you can write a recipe on there, and you can also write short recipes on the back of these cards. So I left that as a little tuck area. So this opens down even further. Let me just pull this up. Oh my goodness. So, and if anybody wanted to just turn it into an album itself, that would be wonderful, because I've got space here and here. Here for a recipe, here, and then you open these flaps here, and what is that? And then you open this one, and then you've got some of those little journaling cards, and it says welcome, the kitchen is open. So I've just put a couple of these cards in there as well, so you can write recipes on the back, quick recipes. I've also left, oops, don't go too far down. I've also left a couple of white, so you can write recipes on these as well. And I've just tucked them. Oh, that's gone right down. So I don't want them to go right down, but let's just pop those in first. They've gone all the way down to the bottom. They would as well if you let them. But to close this, you've got to open this up, and then this will close because there's a magnet closure in there. I love it. And if you wanted, if you was turning it into an album, you've got space for photos here. And then we'll come over to this side, and Gaynor, being the silly sausage she is, did her pocket upside down. So this was meant to be down here. I turned it round as I was doing the pages. But again, you've got menu, you can write short recipes on the back. I did this one, I just patched it up and put recipes on there. And then you can write these on the back. Just love them, I think they're so cute. So they tuck away in there. And there's space there to get more in there easy. And then I've got these little recipe booklets that pull out from the side. Again, that's that paper from the front of the album, and I just wrote on with my beautiful new gel pen. And I've put white inside and on the back, so there's space here for 3 more recipes. And there are 3 of these in total. My favourite recipes, quick recipes. You know, I've just added a DSP, and there's space there for 9 of your favourite recipes there. So, quick recipes, my favourite recipes, but like I'm saying, all those spaces for photos, these are 6x4s, beautiful, and there's a pull-out pocket in the top here. And again, I haven't got nothing on these, but if I've got wide enough strips, I will separate them so we can have recipe top and bottom and the same. And there's one in each of these at the top of each album page, at the side should I say, of these pages as well. So they've all got a tuck spot area, nice and tight. Then we come over to this side. Love these, absolutely gorgeous. So this is just a tuck spot area. I can open out and write a recipe on there. Quick little recipes on the back, pop them in, and there's cards inside here. Whoops, oh gosh. Again, for recipes, I can even write them in white or in black. So I'm going to get myself a couple more of these gel pens, absolutely amazing, and it's the broad. Yeah, brilliant. And again, this side is exactly the same. I won't get it out if you've just seen. They're held together with magnets. And again, another tuck spot area. Don't know what's on there. But yeah, and again, right on the back of these. Or if you were using it as an album, add small photographs. So I'm loving it. I absolutely adore it. Then we turn over and we've got this side as well. This opens up. This has got top secret recipes in. So it's got a nice, you could get another couple of those in there. The more recipes you get, the more things you can add. So this has got space for a recipe, and here, here and here and here you could write a recipe and take a small photo and put your picture of it in there. So that closes, and that keeps that page shut on a magnet. And even in the lid you've got space to write a recipe here as well. Beautiful. Now I love this. It is a bit of a tight squeeze, but it's not, if you know what I mean. It is and it isn't. So this does pop out. Just takes a little flick. I may shorten that actually, but I've put the word divine. Space for more recipes on the back. Space here to write a recipe. And like I say, with my red gel pen, my white gel pen, I can just even write a small recipe on there as well. Beautiful. I love it. So this tucks right under there. And then you just flick it under. And then you can centre that back up if you want. I just think it's beautiful. We've got all these gorgeous strips in between. We're struggling at the end of the video when you watch it, if you watch it. So I've got a nice little tuck spot area there. Again, quick recipes, maybe a quick one there. I have popped in a couple of these cards. I got glue everywhere. So again, write recipes on the back, quick ones, or if you've got longer recipes, you can do these front and back. Again, front and back. And again, you could carry on with that sentence and maybe jot down a quick chicken recipe. So that's the biggest pocket. That slides down and it's supposed to interlace. That's better. But like I'm saying, if you wanted it as an album, it's not going all the way down for some reason. It will do. There we go. You could get loads of photographs on there. And again, this is another little tuck area. Enough space to write cup sizes. 1 cup equals so many tablespoons. You could write those down. And then this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Today's menu, take it or leave it. But loads of space to write recipes out on. And then you open it up and it's got a little pocket in the side. Again, if you just know the ingredients and know how to cook it, these are perfect for just jotting down the ingredients on. And again, never trust a skinny cook. And again, you can draw on the back and add more if you need them. I think this would hold a fair few. And I love that one that matches this paper. You could have even glued that on there. And turn that into a tuck spot area. But instead, I chose to leave that in there. These are just a side pocket, this one. Again, you can journal on the back of these. And it also got tons of space here to write out a recipe. So I love that. And you've got space for 3 of these. That's better. Just decided to go all the way down. And then this just flips back over. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got the last page here. I love this one. These are just tuck spot areas. It's a double belly band. So again, you can write recipes on front and the back. You've got 2 of those. I just stuck them down. And then this is a large recipe mat. You could write them either way round. It's entirely up to you. And you've got the same on the back. Added this gorgeous papers. So the back belly band gets the hold one. And you've got smaller belly bands for the smaller cards. I just love it, love it, love it. I think I'm getting pretty good at these now. I wasn't sure at first, and I do get a lot of people prefer the cards that I make, but I am loving making albums. I've still got them all, apart from a couple that I've gifted away. So we come to the back page now, and again, space for more recipes. Another one here, and I've popped in at one of these little tuck spot areas. Don't know why that's lifting up. Flatten that back down. I made a bit of a boo-boo in with this paper, so I covered it up with these gorgeous stickers. So I do show my mistakes and how you can rectify them as well. So, and I've put that one says ingredients. I love that. So this is one I'm going to be keeping for myself to write all my lovely recipes on. And I'm going to do a challenge with the girls in group. And we're all going to try and exchange recipes once a week on a Friday. So I can fill this gorgeous book up with all those. I'll test the recipes, I'll make them. And if I like them, then they'll make it into the book. And I'll even put the person's name of whom I got the recipe off. I've got pencil eraser rubber all over my desk. I think I need to take it apart now and clear the desk and give it a good polish. So there we have, this is the walkthrough for this stunning album which I adore. Oh, that my corner has come off. How has that come off? I'm going to get something, squeeze that. I'll get Mr. Boyce, get some pliers on that and squeeze it for me. Wait there, let me see if I can do it with my skizzers. Just staying on the metal. That's got it. Oh, that's not coming off now. Definitely not. So there we go. There is, and it's like I say, all lays flat in a waterfall effect. Just gorgeous. I love it. And I will use that hinge system again, definitely. And then you just thread this back through. Love this, I do. Just keeping it nice and neat. It's me, I know, I've got OCD. So just tie this in a knot. And you can tie it as tight as you want. I don't really want it mega tight. I just want it so it stays shut. So that's not too bad. Tie this in a gorgeous bow. And away to go. There is my ingredients recipe 8x10 mini album. Well, 8x10 mini recipe album. There we go. I hope you like it anyway. I think it's absolutely mega gorgeous, mega cute, and I know who will love this will be our gorgeous Carla. She messaged me to say she sent me a link for these papers and I had to wait for them to come all the way from America, and they were in a half price sale, and she's checked back and then back to full price, and she said, why didn't I wait, and why did I just get them at the same time as yourself? So she's a bit gutted now, bless her. But there you go, Carla, that's what I've done with my papers, my darling, and I've literally got a few scraps left. And out of all the papers, you've got 15 papers in total, and that's all I've got left. But I have enjoyed every little bit of this. Love it, love it, love it. I hope you enjoy. I hope you give it a watch. It is in 6 parts, but hey ho, it is what it is. So thank you for watching. Please come back again. Take care. I'll put a link into I'll make sure the video in the top right hand corner is the first part of the album, so you can just go straight from here straight over to watch the album. So till next time, I love you all dearly. Thank you very much. Bye.